Nobis Production.
Correct. But syempre,
Nobis Open Production yung mauna, guys.
Makikimeron lang ako, no? Alright, thank you so much. That adds to my confidence.
So, nandyan it's Nigel, McLaren, Villacorta, Kendrick Flores. All red yung nasa starting gate. Christopher Mercado. And then parang si Carlos Celestino yung isa. All red yung nasa starting gate. Baka na! Wow! All red.
Grabe yung lipat ng number. I mean,
Wow.
Kendrick Flores, what happened to him?
Ay, si Kendrick. Ay, nawala si Ken. Wow! McLaren, Villacorta on the lead. Wow.
Sayang si Kendrick Flores. Ang layo ng hole shot niya.
Red flag.
It's a red flag. Hindi pwedeng galawin ka na. He cannot stand up on his own power.
Red flag.
Kasi safety is the privilege.
Right, okay. So the red flag is up right now. And the horn is honking like traffic is bad in EDSA. What is happening? Okay, now I know that with the red flag is...
BMS Honda.
All shot, McLaren. Second it's Carlos Celestino. On third it's Christopher Mercado.
Christopher Mercado in third. Nigel Torre in fourth. Kendrick
Wow, from
Flores
Team Honda on the lead.
in
La.
Now, siyempre, pinag-iingat ng mga racers natin yung mga points nila, no? Because every
Leading. Oy! It's Carlos Celestino na. From Kinder Factory. Carlos Celestino on the lead for Nobis Production. Round 1. Here at Bermosa, Emos Cavite. So, change leading position. Nakuha ni Carlos Celestino si McLaren Villacorta. Wow. Ayun, no? Wow, unti-unti nang lumalayo si Carlos Celestino, guys. Ayun, no? Oh. Wow.
So still in the lead is Alpine Star rider, Mongol rider.
Carlos Celestino on the lead. This is round 1. For NAMSA Philippines. Wow. Ay! Sige na Christopher Mercado. Nakuha si McLaren. Fourth it's Nigel Torre. And then fifth it's Kendrick Flores. Ayun, no?
And that is actually a good thing because right now may bahay na ang ating...
So leading. Wow, breakaway na.
Actually, I'm watching the circles only on a competitive level.
Ikatulong ang MX1 or 450. Ano ba to? Nobis Production, Nobis Open Production. Round 1. Parang 125 sa sunod nito, 125. Wow. Ayun lang. Christopher Mercado on second.
We are now on the last lap according to our marshal.
Third is McLaren Villacorta. Hoy. Last 2 laps. And then Ken Flores.
So that's the horn for the last lap, is it? Yeah. Oh, I was trying to pay attention at the race briefing to the lead. Siyempre sa inyong lahat ko yung wala alam dito. So I'm going to take down notes ako, no? Pero nakakatawa. Oh, so yun na yung last.
Shout out sa lahat, shout out.
Last two laps.
last two laps.
So your eyes will right. My eyes cannot be trusted right now because I'm wearing shades. Diba?
Last two laps,
May
last two laps,
prescription
last two
shades na,
laps.
ano, para sa akin. Pero ngayon, may bubulag po ako. So si Coach Sam ang aking
So,
eyes on the road.
ang daganan ni Anton Nagnilayo is
On the road din yung lahat.
MX1 and MX2 or 450 and 250 or expert and pro open. Last lap for Carlos Celestino. Last lap. Last lap.
Alright, so
And Christopher Mercado.
to wrap up,
Third
following
it's
the participants for Junior
McLaren
X125,
Villacorta.
race number 4, Dejel Ibarra, McLaren Villacorta.
Last lap, last lap, last lap.
Racer number 124, Shaq Lavon. Racer number 7, Christopher Mercado. And racer number 831, Joshua Tamayo. Please report at the waiting area immediately. You guys are up next in your round of racing.
Last lap, last lap, last lap.
Talagang dikit-dikit at tuloy-tuloy ang ating bakbakan dito sa Vermosa. Really, really exciting afternoon for all of us.
Third ang kwan. MX1 or 450. Slabornok, Anton Rayo, David Viterbo. Wow. Waiting for checkered flag for Carlos Celestino. Ayun, no? Checkered flag from Kinder Factory Riders.
The winner is Carl
Carlos
Celestino
Celestino.
of Moto and Arcan Star. Christopher Mercado.
And then Christopher Mercado on second. McLaren Villacorta on third.
McLaren Villacorta, that's the podium. Oh, what happened tonight?
Oy, Kendrick Flores on fourth.
Kendrick Flores is...
Nakuha si Nigel. Anong nangyari? Nigel. Fourth si Ken. Fourth Kendrick Flores. And then Nigel Ivan Torre.